Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are safe. In today's video, I am going to tell you how I created this makeup look. It's a very simple and easy look for any beginner, and any one of you can recreate it. If you do, please don't forget to tag me on the social media. I have listed all the links in the description box right below this video. You can totally customize all the product that you use on yourself. You don't necessarily have to use what I use. You can use whatever you already have or the product that suits your skin type. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. I am going to start with spraying a facial spray on my face. It's by the company Mario. Don't worry about the product's name. I have added all the product's name in the description box. This facial spray is very similar to the rose water. So you can use rose water instead of the facial spray or any mist. For moisturizing my skin, I am using Dove Beauty Cream. So I am dotting it all over my face and spread it evenly. I'll let the moisturizer to seep into my skin. So it will give a natural glowing skin. Using this spoolie brush, I am going to brush in my eyebrows. For filling my eyebrows, I am using Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the shade Deep Brown, and its number is 380. To get a natural look, leave the front part of the eyebrows and start filling from this part. For filling the eyebrows, we should use brown color or dark brown color, not black color. If you don't have brow pomade or a eyebrow pencil, you can use any dark brown color from the palette. First, I am filling the places where I have very less hairs. For defining my eyebrows, I am marking a very thin line below my eyebrows and above my eyebrows. Now blending all together using a spoolie brush. Now I am done with the eyebrows. It's time to prime the eyelids. For priming the eyelids, I am using ELF HD primer. I am dotting it over my eyelids. Using my ring finger, I am going to blend it properly. Now we can apply any loose powder to set the eyelids. For eyeshadow palette, I am using Naked Heat Urban Decade palette. I am taking this shimmery shade from the palette. Using my ring finger, I'll spread it all over my eyelids. We can apply silver color when we wear clothes that are blue in color, blue, navy blue, and we can apply golden color when we wear any dresses of brown color, orange or yellow. Using this fluffy brush, I am going to take the lightest shade from the palette, tapping off the excess. One is the transaction color that we will apply on the top. I first place the product on the lids and then go to and fro out. Take little by little product. Don't take too much of the product. It will be difficult to blend. Again on the second I taking some product, tapping off the excess. I'll put some product on the lid, then I'll blend it to and fro out. Now I am using this flat brush. It is less fluffy as compared to the previous brush I used. Second color I am taking is a little bit dark color. It's near to the plum color. Tapping off the excess color, I'll deposit the color on my eyelids and go to and fro out. Again on the second eye, I'll do the same thing. I'll tap off the excess product, deposit the product on my eye and go to and fro on my crease and throw a little bit product out. I am taking some more product and doing the same again. I am taking little by little product and we can build the color. If we take too much of the product at the same time, it becomes very difficult to blend and sometimes it looks patchy. For eyeliner, I am taking Lakme Instant Eyeliner. First shake the bottle and then take out any excess product from the brush. I'll be applying a very thin line near to my lashes. Taking a small flat brush and taking the same light brown color from the palette and applying it near to my waterline. To fill in my waterline, I am using Wet n Wild Kohl crayon in the shade brown. I am using this glitter eyeliner from Ulta Beauty. I am going to draw a very thin line above my black eyeliner. This completes my eye makeup. For the base, I am taking the Maybelline Master Primer. It just gives me that extra hydration. I simply take a CC or BB cream, or what I do, I create my own BB or CC cream by mixing the primer, foundation and a little bit of moisturizer. For this simple look, I don't apply layers like first primer, then foundation or any BBCC cream. Else I apply all this mixing together so it will not form layers of makeup. I'll mix the three and apply a thin layer on my face and blend it all over. Now I'll spray same facial mist on my face. I'm using this beauty blender. It's from the Real Technique brand. I am wetting it using the facial spray. You can also damp the sponge and remove all the excess water and you can use it. We have to blend using the dabbing motion and not the dragging motion to blend the cream all over the skin evenly. We don't have to apply the foundation on this area of the face. We will use the remaining product from the sponge and apply there because that portion of the face dries quickly and forms a cakey layer. Don't forget to apply the product on the neck and blend the product properly. Blending is the key to flawless base. Now it's time for the concealer. Again I am using the same ELF HD concealer for hiding my dark spots. I have a little bit pigmentation near my mouth and I'll apply some near to my eyes. Again using the same beauty blender, I am going to blend the concealer in the dabbing motion. Even if you don't have any sponge or brush, you can use your ring finger to blend the concealer. To set my base, I am using Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact. Using a fluffy brush, I am applying the powder all over my face. For the blush, I am using Makeup Revolution Roxy Blush Palette. I will mix these two coral shades and tapping off the excess and apply this to my cheeks. I'll start from the center of my cheeks and take it towards my ears and blend it properly. As you guys know, it's a very simple beginner's makeup look. I will not suggest you guys to go for contour. Contour not done properly can make you look darker and dull. So my trick here is keep the brush like this and just move it along your jawline. This will provide a little bit of shadow to your face. You can use it you can use a little bit on your forehead and a little bit on your nose. Now you can see the shadow created below my jawline using the blush. Now comes my favorite part, that is lipstick. I am going to use Wet n Wild Sandstorm. It's a very warm brown shade. I am going to apply one layer of it on my lips. Now I am going to take Hard Candy Signature Red Lipstick. You can take any red color or orange color instead of this. And I'll apply a little bit on the center parts of my lips. Now using my ring finger, I am going to blend it properly on my lips. I forget to apply mascara. Here I apply the Essence I Love Extreme Curl and Volume Mascara. I'll remove the excess product. I'll apply the mascara in the zigzag motion. Now I am applying mascara on the lower eyelashes. Now it's time for highlighter. For highlighter I am using Wet n Wild Hello highlighter. I'll be applying a little bit on my cheeks, bridge of my nose and my brow bone. Again using my ring finger I am going to blend in the highlighter. This is how my makeup turns out. Please let me know how you like this video in the comment section below. And please let me know if you want me to create some more makeup looks. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you have any question regarding the makeup product, feel free to message me on Instagram and Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Bye bye.